That was weird.
China's Baidu launches self-driving taxis in densely populated Shenzhen. Users can hail the taxis by a smartphone app called Apollo Go. For real, self-driving right now.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. No driver in the car.
Yeah, we should hit up Shenzhen again.
Just to do this.
Yes.
Are you Oh, no, that shows a driver sitting there but not using the steering wheel.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like you still got to have a driver at least in the vehicle.
I'd be so uncomfortable.
It's a little risky. I mean, you might have to jump in and grab the wheel at some point. Yeah. Chinese tech firm Baidu launched its self-driving taxi service in downtown Shenzhen on Thursday, marking the company's first deployment of autonomous vehicles into a densely populated. That's the key. A lot of variables in a dense population, pedestrians and such. And while human drivers are still sitting behind the wheel as a safety precaution, that could change in the future as the technology progresses. Baidu has set up 50 different pickup and drop-off stations in Shenzhen. 50, a city of 13 million people. And the self-driving taxis can be summoned through a smartphone app. That would be so cool to summon.
Oh, so they're kind of working like a bus route?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not
you go and get in line at one of 50 locations,
right.
And or I suppose, well, since you're summoning it, it's kind of weird because if it's a pickup location, you assume they're just constantly going back to those pickup locations. Yeah. But I guess in case there isn't one lined up there at the moment, then you summon it. Here's the thing. Probably those drivers are still taking control of the wheel on a fairly frequent basis, I would guess. I mean, the true futuristic one is like a van-like vehicle that rolls up on its own. The door opens up. Mm-hmm. You enter, and all of a sudden it's, I don't know, Blade Runner or whatever it is. But it is still cool, and it's only a matter of time. Apollo Go operates in 65 cities now. Nationwide. Oh, by 2025. They want to operate in 65 cities and 100 cities by 2030. So they're pushing for it. There's the fleet.
What do you think of the vehicle? It looks pretty robust.
Yeah, a lot of the sensors are on the outside, though. Not really hidden. Granted, I don't know how much that matters when it comes to a taxi. Mm-hmm. But the roof of the thing has a lot going on.
It has a lot, yeah.
Like, they've obviously sort of fitted.
Yeah.
Man, I really wonder how that works. What if the driver, the person sitting there, I wonder
he's on TikTok.
I just wonder what their level of involvement is. Like what kind of safety features are in place. Like if I'm driving the Tesla and I put on autopilot, I have to touch the wheel every so often and prove that I'm still there. And so you wonder about these drivers. You're right. Are they on TikTok? It's a great question.
Maybe they're like doing diagnostics.
Because it's so new.
Yeah.
But eventually, I don't know, man. Eventually they're going to probably relax, take a nap.